Welcome back, YouTube, to Fat Guy Builds. Today we're changing the diff fluid in this Lexus is300, and I'm going to take you through it step by step. This is a gear lube we're using, AMSOIL 8090. Now if your diff leaks already, there's washers on each plug. You're going to have to buy new washers before you start this job, otherwise it's just going to leak again. To get your plugs out, you're going to need a 10mm Allen key. To get leverage to pop the plug loose, get your ratchet, then a 18, 19, 20mm wrench, put it over the handle, and that'll give you more leverage. Once you have the fill plug taken out, take it, remove your drain plug, and then let everything drain out. Once it's done dripping, put your plug back in. Now that we have the drain plug tightened, we're going to go grab our tool and start filling the fluid. So you're going to grab your penis pump here, and you're going to stick the tip in the fluid. You're going to pull and suck all the fluid out into your penis pump, and then we're going to put the tip into the diff and we're going to squirt it in. So we have some fluid in, and now we're going to take this, we're going to go in the hole and squirt it. You know it's full once you get through a pump and there's a stream like this. Just leave it till it starts dripping. I put a little bit too much. Once it starts dripping, I'm going to put the plug in. Once everything's torqued down, you're done. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If I helped you save a couple bucks by not having to go to a shop, you're welcome. And if you want to support me, check the Patreon down below and maybe donate $1. Anyways, till next time, wrench on.